Hello student, good morning. Yes, so today we are going to learn the most common words in Kannada. Okay, so in the last videos, if you go ahead with that videos, you would have listened these words, these kind of words. So I have collected all the words and I have given on the screen. Most commonly we used to take this word in our regular talking time. Okay, shall we start? Yes. So myself Professor Veena, Kannada Department, St. Francis de Sales College, Bengaluru. So most common words, first word if we see today. Today is Ivattu. Today is Ivattu. Ivattu means today. Fine. Tomorrow. Tomorrow means Nale. Are you remembering these words? Yeah? Last class you have listened these words, no? You have learned these words, no? Oftenly I was telling this, you have to take a note and start speaking with someone, then you will learn these words and all I have told, no? Yeah, are you remembering? Good. Tomorrow is Nale. Yesterday or else previous day, we used to say, right, in English. So the same way, yesterday means in Kannada nenne. I repeat, nenne. Day before yesterday. Day before yesterday. See, in English it's such a big word. When it comes to Kannada, monne. Nenne is yesterday. Monne is day before yesterday. Clock. This clock word, maybe first time we are hearing this word, right? I have never given this word in last previous videos and all. Clock means gadiyara. Clock. Gadiyara. No. Yeah, we have seen this word. What do you mean by no in Kannada? Illa. What is the opposite for no? Yes. Very good. Yes. Yes means in Kannada haudu. No means illa. See. S-E-E-C. I have forgot this one. See means nodu. See means nodu. Yeah. See means nodu. No means illa. Small. It's a small thing. Small. Small means in Kannada chikkadu. Chikka. Remember the word chikka? Chikkadu. Big. Opposite word. Big. Doddadu. Beautiful. If you want to say this word to someone else, or if you want to say this word to the thing, you can say Tumba sundaravagide. Sundara. Sundara in Kannada. Beautiful in English. Beautiful. Wow, it's amazing. Amazing also you can say Sundara. Adbhuta. There are two words. For beautiful you can take this word as Sundara. Good. Olledu. Bad. Kettadu. Good is Olledu. Just listen carefully my pronunciation. Okay. Olledu. Olledu, not Olledu. Good. Olledu. Bad. Kettadu. Thank you. Dhanyavadagalu. Can you, are you remembering this word? Thank you. Thank you word. We have used in lot of situations. We have used this dhanyavadagalu. When you ask someone, when you inquire about the bus, you said dhanyavadagalu. Yeah, remembering? Yes. And when you got in the bus and you are talking with a conductor, that time also you said dhanyavadagalu. Yeah. So repeat samely. It got repeated here. When you thank to someone, so you can say in Kannada dhanyavadagalu. So dhanyavadagalu in means oppositely, like when you say someone dhanyavadagalu, thank you, we'll get the reply that welcome. What do you mean by welcome? This is all common, no? Most common words we oftenly take this word in our regular basis, right? So that's the reason I have given this. Welcome. You want to say someone welcome? We can say swagata. Welcome means swagata. Yeah. Next one, watch. This also you have maybe heard a lot of time. I have given in questionnaires also, question tag, how to frame a question. In that also I have given this word what. What means ಏನು. What did you say? ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ? What means ಏನು. said ಹೇಳಿದ. say ಹೇಳು, said ಹೇಳಿದ. ಓಕೆ, say 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 is ಹೇಳು, tell ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, tell. said means ಹೇಳಿದ. water means ನೀರು. Do you remember this water? Yeah, water. You want to ask someone, can I have some water? Means in Kannada you can say ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನೀರು. So when we come to so this kind of whatever just now we have seen, those words and all basically we used to talk in regular basis. Now I am going to introduce the part of our body, like head means tale. These are basic word which you should start to use in regular days. Head means tale. I repeat the word tale. hand, kai. See, only one word in hands. If you say in plural hands, kaigalu. If you say it in singular hands, kai. Leg, plural legs. In Kannada, leg means kalu, legs means kalugalu, kalugalu. Finger is beralu. Okay, you can say in hand finger, toes finger, whatever, but finger is beralu. Stomach means hotte. Are you understanding, guys? Stomach means hotte. Eye means kannu. See, it's sounding itself very sweet, no? It's very sweetly it's sounding. Kannugalu. Eyes means kannugalu. Plural, you need to add it few words. Galu means plural. You are saying into plural thing. Eyes means kannugalu. Eye means kannu. Nose, mugu. You cannot say noses. In English also it's not possible. In Kannada also it's not possible because we have only one nose. That's the reason we say only nose. In Kannada we can say mugu. Lips, tuti. Learn the word lips, tuti. Cheeks means kenne. Here I have given cheeks. Cheek mean kenne. Cheeks means also kennegalu. We cannot say. We can say only kenne. Chin means galla atava gadda. In the slang word, in Kannada slang we used to say in gadda. In galla means it's kind of a very literature word. Galla, instead of galla, gadda you can say. Not gadda, gadda. Da you have to pronounce it. Eyebrow, ubbu. Eyebrow means ubbu. Tongue, what is the tongue? No, in the daily routine days sometime you need to say that nalige. Whatever I eat, my tongue is not tasting anything. We say, right? Tongue means nalage atava nalige. Both you can say it, nalige or nalage. Teeth, hallu. Teeths, hallugalu. Nails means uguru. Ugurugalu also we can say. Usually we say uguru. What uguru? Yeah. Neck means kattu, or else neck means ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ. These words also can be taken, or else kattu also can be taken. Very, tumba. Very, tumba. Day, dina. Very is tumba. Day, dina. One day. One day means vandu dina. For one in Kannada we say vandu. Okay, vandu. Here I have given only day. Day means dina. This day, ee dina. This, that and all you have learned in the last videos, right? So day is dina. Sometimes, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯ. Sometimes I go there. In ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. Sometimes I go there. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. People, ಜನ. ಜಾನ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. I'll just remove this word. People, jana. Jana, double N-A, jana. Jana ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ people. At the same time, enough. This word also we learned in the last videos. Enough means saku. Enough means saku. All. All means ella. All together, ellaru, ellaru. So all is sounding ella. Y-E-L-L-A is ella. Chair, kurchi. Chair means kurchi. Empty, kali. Empty is kali. It got empty. Kali aitu. Are you getting my word? My plate got empty. Nan plate kali aitu. You, formally we say you, ni, nu. I have given first word is neevu with the plural. When you are talking with the elder, neenu, you cannot say, you must say neevu. At the same time, for informal, you are talking with the younger one or your friend, with your friend, you are allowed to say neenu. Hope, nambike. Another word, believe, also called nambike. Hope or believe both are same. So for both we can use nambike. Only 3 words in Kannada, nambike. Truth. This also we have learned in the last class. Truth means nija. At the same time, what is the opposite word for the truth? Yes, lie. Very good. Lie. Lie is in Kannada sullu, not sullu, it is sullu. I hope you are observing my pronunciation, because L is we sometimes in Kannada we should not pronounce la, that is la. You cannot say sullu, you have to say sullu, lu. I mean, you should give a pressure to that particular la. And is like a very common word. Whatever we say, and I went there and I got this one, and so usually oftenly we used to say this word is and. So and in Kannada we have to say mattu athava matte. Both are same. Based on the situation, you can take this word mattu or else matte. Yes, haudu, not haudo. Haudo means you are very rudely talking with someone. You should not say haudo. It is haudu. Some typing mistake I made here. Yeah, haudo, not haudo. It is haudu. Yes means haudu. No means illa. Yes means haudu. No means illa. Both means eradu. Eradu means not in numerical word. I am not teaching you numerical word. Eradu means both. In numerical word also we say eradu. 1, 2, 3 we say 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is different one. Both means that this adu idu eradu andre that thing also this thing also clubbing together is eradu, both. Stone, I'll just throw the stone. What do you mean by stone? In Kannada, kallu. Kallal esitini ivaga, kallal oditini. Okay, getting my point? Stone means kallu. Child, magu. I have one child. Ondu magu ide. Okay, so child in Kannada we say magu. Language, whatever language it is, in Kannada we say bhashe. And one more thing is that bhashe in Kannada, there is one word in English is promise. When you give me promise, bhashe kodu. Bhashe also kind of, so based on the situation you need to take this language. In Kannada, bhashe. Home andre mane. Home means mane. Table, meju. Table means meju. Mother, see, I have written wrongly here. Mother, or I have forgotten to give or. So very important word. These words are very important, where we can use in daily basis. When you go and talk to your mother, you want to talk in Kannada, you want to make your mother to understand Kannada, so you can say amma. Very common word in all languages. Most probably we used to say for mother amma only, so amma. Here means illi. Are you remembering this word here? Last in few videos I have given this here means illi. There means alli. Boy, huduga. Boy means huduga. Girl, hudugi. Boy means huduga, girl means hudugi. White, I'm talking about color. White. Bili you can say in these two words you can finish it up. If you want to extend that, bilupu also we can say, or else your learning stage, no, so you can say bili color. Okay. Black, kappu color, kappu banna. So color means in Kannada banna, so you can say as it is in English only, banna, kappu color you can use. Red, kempu. Red means kempu. Only, matra. That is not mitra, that is matra. I have forgotten here. Matra. Yes, only means matra. We, navu. These words also we have learned in the last videos. We means navu. Paper, kagada. Book, pustaka. Paper, kagada. Book, pustaka. Who are you? Who? Yaru neenu. Who are you? Yaru neenu. Who means yaru. Happy, santosha. Or else for happy you can use one more word is kushi. In Hindi also maybe kush anta karitivalva. So the same way you can speak in Kannada also. Kushi agide. Today I am so happy. Today means ivattu nanu kushi agiddene. How, hege. Letter, patra. Letter means patra. Answer, uttara. Answer is uttara. New, hosa. New one, hosadu. Okay, so these words and all I have learned in the last videos. New means hosa. Old means hale. Opposite words. Answer is uttara. For answer is opposite word is question. For question we say in Kannada, I have not given here, I forgot to give. For answer we say in Kannada is uttara. For question we say in Kannada is prashne. Prashna. New. ಹೊಸ, old, ಹಳೆ. Angry, I got so much of angry. Angry means kopa. That sounding also you can see kopa. When I pronunciate that kopa itself, I am showing the kopa. Angry, mad, crazy, ಹುಚ್ಚು. In Kannada we say ಹುಚ್ಚು. ಹುಚ್ಚುಚ್ಚಾಗ ಆಡಬೇಡ. Are you mad? ಹುಚ್ಚ ನೀನು? Sure. What? I'm not asking about are you mad? You are not saying sure. Okay, so one more word is sure. Sure means ಹೌದು ಅಥವಾ ಖಚಿತ. For example, can you do one help for me? Yeah, sure. ಖಚಿತ, ಖಂಡಿತ. ಖಚಿತ or else ಖಂಡಿತ you can say in Kannada. Not at all. ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Do you remember this word? Not at all. ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Son, ಮಗ. Daughter, ಮಗಳು. Son, he is my son. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ. Daughter, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು. So in Kannada we say ಮಗಳು. Worry, I'm so worry. ಚಿಂತೆ. Why are you worry? Why you look so worry? ಯಾಕೆ ಚಿಂತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Brother, ಅಣ್ಣ. You can say to you are talking with someone person. For that person you wanna talk to him, you can say ಅಣ್ಣ. ಅಣ್ಣ. No, ಗೊತ್ತು. Don't know, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Air, ಗಾಳಿ. Now, ಈಗ. Air means ಗಾಳಿ. You want to say a breeze. For breeze we say in Kannada ತಂಗಾಳಿ. ಗಾಳಿ is air, ತಂಗಾಳಿ is breeze. Now, ಈಗ. Now means ಈಗ. Your, ನಿಮ್ಮ. Your means ನಿಮ್ಮ. Comfort, ಆರಾಮ್. Your means ನಿಮ್ಮ. Comfort means ಆರಾಮು. Or else we can say ಆರಾಮ್. So we have seen most common words in this class.